and welcome back to my channel, Ava's Luxury for Less, with me, Avanita. Thank you very much guys for checking out all of my videos on my YouTube channel. I have 36 subscribers now, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Also, my Instagram account, I have 111 followers. I'm so excited. 111. That is just, and it's growing. So thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, follow, and comment below my video. Also on my Facebook page at Decor3683, I have 329 people who's following my page. And then also I have a new Twitter account. It is quite new. I've only opened it a day ago. So if you guys want to check that out, it's at Ava's Luxury. So in the video today, I have my Halloween wreath to share with you. I did mention this in my last video. And then my next video will be about my fall decor in my living room, kitchen, and also my bedroom. So I hope you guys check it out once I've uploaded. So I hope you guys are ready to see how I've created this scary but wonderful wreath, and I'm in love with it at the moment. So please don't forget to like, comment below the video, share with your family and friends, and also if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much, and let's go make it. These are the things you'll need: scissors, hot glue gun, tinsel, and you can get a blade because you will be doing some cutting. Also a chalkboard from the Poundland, pumpkins, glitter pumpkins, paintbrush, and some wreaths that I've gotten off eBay, and also some twines, Halloween pumpkins, cobwebs, and pipe cleaners, and also some autumn leaves, black and white paint. And then also you will need just a little bit of ribbon just to kind of add at the end. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking 4 of the wreaths that I've bought on eBay. I actually got 10 for $3.99, so it's quite reasonable. So I'm just getting the wreaths into a good shape so I can start twining them together and then creating the shape of the wreath that I want. So once you've created the shape that you want, just get actually use the orange pipe cleaner because orange goes well with the Halloween theme. So I'm just gathering the wreaths in the middle and then just twining the pipe cleaner together just to keep them secure, so that when I start adding the decorations to the wreath, it won't wobble away. It would just stay firm. And then you just do that and then just bring the pipe cleaners around, and then that's what it looks like after I've connected all 4 together. You don't need to get rid of the color, just keep it just as it is, because it does follow the theme. So I'm using the pumpkin just to kind of get a feel of where I need to put the tinsels. I got these tinsels, as you guys remember, from my Halloween and Christmas haul from the 99p the Poundland in Turnpike Lane. So I just put a little bit of hot glue, attach it to the bottom end of the wreath I've put together, and then use my scissors just to snip off and then just start looping it around just to kind of get a bigger bulk at the bottom. I want it to, you know, yeah, like this. I want it to look a little bit full and not too scanty, so that's what it looks like. So I got the black and white one, use my hot glue gun again, just a little bit because you don't want it to fall off, and then just wrap it around, and then that's what it looks like after I've put both of the tinsels on. So now you want to take the pumpkins. Again, these are 99p from Home Bargain, and then you just get the packaging off, yes, like the labels and stuff. I tried to use the scissors, but then I remember that it's like a little piece of wire, so you just want to be very careful when you take those off. And then I just gather the pumpkin together and then just start measuring where and how I want to place the pumpkins onto the wreath that I've created already. You don't have to follow my steps. You can actually jazz it up as to how you want it, but this is what I wanted, and then yeah, I'm just going ahead with it. So I'm just deciding whether to put the hot glue gun on the pumpkin or on there, but then I decided it's better to put it onto the wreath. So a good amount of hot glue, because you're going to put it outside, and of course you want it to last a little time. So hot glue, and then I just place one of the pumpkins closer to the tinsels at the bottom that I've already added on. Then from there, I get some of the autumn leaf. I got these autumn leaf. They're 100 in a bag for £1 at the works. And then hot glue onto the top of the pumpkin. I want to give the pumpkin a little bit of a, definition. It has leaves, autumn leaves. Yeah. And then that's what it looks like after I've put a few autumn leaves on. And then I just add the other pumpkin. Well, just measure out where I want to put it. Get my hot glue gun, and guys, please be very careful. I always say this, just please be very careful with the hot glue because it's quite hot. A little bit on, and then just put it on. I've actually put some more onto the wreath. You haven't seen that, but I've put some more onto the wreath just to keep it in place, and then just hold it down. Again, hot glue onto the top of the pumpkins, and then just add some of the autumn leaf. And then that's what it looks like after I finish adding the autumn leaf, the tinsels, and the pumpkin. It is coming together. So the small pumpkins that I got from Home Bargain, they have a piece of wire in it, so you want to be very careful. So you can start wrapping it around the wreath, but please be very careful. As I said before, it's a piece of wire and it does snap back. So what I've done, I've used one of the pipe cleaners just to hold them in place. And then I just continue to go around with a few more of the pumpkins, and that's what it looks like. I use my hand just to kind of fix them in place. And then also I got a next piece of the purple and black tinsel just to kind of make it full out a lot more and not look so scanty. So yeah, just go around it with some of the tinsels. And then I had a few more under the bottom of the black pumpkin, and then that's what it looks like. This tree branch that it's actually orange with black bats in it, and I just add it onto the bottom of the black pumpkin, and then again I just use a pipe cleaner just to hold it in place. Yeah, and it's coming together. It looks really nice already to me. So I want to paint my skeleton, so a little white paint, and then I get some black paint as well, and then just squirt it together into one of the little plates I have here. Paintbrush, and then I just start painting the skeletons. I don't want it to be like just black and white, so I've mixed both of it together so it kind of gives a grayish color. And then that's what it looks like. You want to leave it to dry. I didn't leave it to dry because I wanted to finish the video. It didn't get too messy, but it's best to leave it to dry. After this, I took the chalkboard that I had and then just start painting it black. Once I've finished, I just take some of the white paint and then just scribble the word boo with the paint itself. I actually add a little bit of white paint just to brush it over, just to give it a little bit of a detail onto the chalkboard before I started adding on boo. Yeah, and then once you finish that, I took a popsicle stick or a lolly stick and then just kind of, smooth out the paint. Well, I don't want it to be too perfect, so I just scribbled along with it, and then that's what it looks like. I really like it. So after I finish that, I start taking the orange cobweb and then just using my hand just to flare it out a bit so I can get good strands. Put it on it with some white cobwebs as well and some spiders that I get along. And then this is what it looks like. I like the way it turned out. I didn't have a small paintbrush, so what I did, I got some, we say Q-tip, but they're cotton buds. And then I just scribbled the word boo onto the black pumpkin with some white paint. And then on the orange pumpkin, I colored it with the black paint. And then just go over it with a little white paint. And then this is what it looks like, coming together. So you guys remember I just finished the chalkboard with the word boo written on it. So I just go ahead, use my hot glue gun, and then just put it onto the wreath that I've created already. I've actually done this bow, and I just put a little bit of hot glue onto the bow and then just hold it in place onto the wreath that I've created. Now for the skeleton, a little hot glue, you want to be careful because it will burn through. And then I use 2 of the popsicle sticks or lolly sticks, and then just put it on so I can attach it to the wreath. I use my scissors, please be very careful, just to take off the extra trimmings because I don't want it to be hanging whilst I finish do it. And then hot glue onto the wreath, and then you're ready to hang your skeleton. And then this is what it looks like after I finish hanging and gluing and attaching every single thing together that I feel will make my wreath look awesome. I love the way everything turned out. I got the green lights from the Poundland, again Poundland, which is £1. And then the other lights, the pumpkin lights, they actually come like that. My skeleton is looking really awesome, scary awesome. I really like it. And then the bow, it just add that kind of extra to it. Again, this is what it looks like. I'm in love with it a lot. You're not gonna see, but I actually went ahead and then just used a little bit of my red nail polish just to go over the word boo that I've created onto the chalkboard. And it kind of gives it a little bit of a scary theme. So I really like it. It looks really nice. I think it looks so real. Yeah, and as you can see, yeah, it looks awesome. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you very much for giving me 14 minutes of your time just to check out my video. I hope you guys like the full process. I hope you guys take away something from this and able to create your own Halloween wreath. Now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on Instagram at Ava's Luxury for Less. I'm on Twitter at Ava Luxury, and also follow my Facebook page, which is at Decor3683. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.